In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create sales reports with the Sales Analytics tool in Hubspot. To get started, sign into your Hubspot account and look at the main navigation bar. Find Reporting, then click Reports. This takes you to the reporting area where Hubspot organizes different kinds of reports, including the ones designed specifically for sales performance. Next, go to the top left sidebar and click Sales Analytics. This is the section where you can quickly generate reports focused on sales activity and results, without building a custom report from scratch. It is a good place to start when you want clear, ready-to-use reporting for your team. Now you will choose the kind of report you want to create. In Sales Analytics, you will see several sections, including coach reps and teams, forecasts and pipelines, and sales outcomes. Select a report type that matches your goal. For example, you might choose a report that helps you compare performance across reps and teams, track forecasting and pipeline movement, or review sales outcomes over a specific period. Pick the option that best fits what you need to measure. Once your report is open, use the filters in the top bar to refine the results. Start by setting the date range. This is important because it defines the time window for the data you are reviewing. Then, if your account uses teams, choose the team you want to focus on. You can also select the pipeline if your organization tracks deals across multiple pipelines. These filters help keep your report accurate and relevant, especially when you are sharing it with others. When the report looks the way you want, go to the top right and click Save Report. Give your report a clear descriptive name so it is easy to recognize later. Then select the dashboard where you want it to live. Saving to a dashboard makes the report easier to find and helps you and your team monitor performance at a glance. Finally, click Save to confirm. Your sales report is now saved and added to the dashboard you selected. That covers everything you need to know.